Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're going to be walking around a 2019 Kia Sorento SX. This is an all-wheel drive, 3.3 liter V6. This is almost top of the line. There's one level higher in SXL, but this is really nice. This has got the painted rubber that wraps around the wheels. It's an all-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, vehicle stability monitoring. It has the panorama glass top on white, really pretty, with the roof rails, Sirius satellite antenna, navigation, 3-pod headlamps, 4-pod fog lights. Really nice vehicle. Just want you to take a look. Front sensors, rear sensors, cross mitigation, alert, two-tone alloy wheels, one of the larger wheels that they have. Headlights are so bright, the signals are in the mirrors as well. It is on sale as it is a demo, and it has about 10,000 kilometers on it. Runs on regular fuel, fits 7 passengers. Keys stay in your pocket. It's push button start. It has the LED tail lights. It has the nicer front and rear bumper fascias with the chrome exhaust and chrome below the bumper cover. It's an auto lift gate. You stand behind the vehicle for 3 seconds and it automatically opens, and then it's a touch close. Backup camera, nice dark tinted windows. Real stable on the ground, real low center of gravity, so when you're driving you're always assured you feel comfortable in it and safe. It does have a 5-star safety rating. If you look around the vehicle, it has the memory seats for you and your loved one. Auto touch drop windows, anti-vandal mirror that can fold when you park. 3-prong plug-in for charging your computers in the back. Blind spot detection monitoring in the mirrors. Just let you take a look. Nice seating, nice bolstering, power seats, of course. Let you take a look at the sunroof from inside, really pretty. It is a panorama, goes all the way to the back of the vehicle where the passengers are. Not the third row so much, but yes, the second row. It has the UVO system now, so that's 5 years at no cost. And you can start your vehicle from your phone, even if you're out in Australia. Check to make sure it's locked up and check your maintenance, all sorts of great things. Heated back seats as well on the SX. Nice piano finish on the doors. These rear seats can be adjusted forward and back to recline while you're driving down the road. Nice cup holder, water bottle locations everywhere. This is running a 630 amp Harman Kardon stereo system, so you'll really have some nice sound. And there's those controls down below. There's a USB 12 volt 3-prong as well with an air conditioning that can be faced to the people that are in the vehicle. So I'm just going to pop a seat. I have the rear seats folded down currently just so I can show you cargo space shortly. You do have a air conditioning controller back here for the third passengers, and those little handles down there and here will allow you to drop these middle seats from the back. All right, let's just pop that trunk and let you see how much room there is. So again, I'm touching it this time. I've got the key in my proximity. So seats are folded down currently so you can see how much space there is in the vehicle. And there it is there. So the 2019 Kia Sorento SX is a really capable vehicle. Lots of power, good on fuel. You'll see them all over the road. Just going to jump in and let you take a look at some of the features. So again, plenty of room for everybody. And I'm just going to push start the vehicle. So it's at 9,887 currently. It probably won't be driven until sold now because it is a manager-driven demo. But all the features that you could possibly want, and the navigation and dual climate control with a third to rear. You have a locking system for 4x4, drive mode, eco, sport, that kind of thing. Just going to open that up. And you can put your phone down and it'll charge without having to plug it in. There's a USB if you have an older phone. There's your backup camera. It has the guidelines that actually will show you where you're going to end up. So this is a quick show on this vehicle. This Sorento's here, like I said, as a demo. It's 2019, so all your financing can be in place. Come on down, West Coast Kia. We're just across the bridge in Maple Ridge.